We're about to work out. We're doing day 15. Alright, so I figured out what was going on with the missing days that I thought was happening in my program, so I wanted to fill you in. As you see, I did day 1, and then day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Oh, look, there's day 8. Where's day 6s and 7? So those are the rest days, but they're just not listed in the program. So it looks like you just skipped or they're missing, but they're not. And then what's cool is that you have the calendar here and it shows which workouts you completed on what days. So as you can see, the day 1, which started on a Thursday, was workout 1. And then that following Monday was workout 2, then 3, and then 4. Then I did some at-home workouts with my sister while I was out of town. So then on the 25th, I did workout number 9, so out of order. But then you go to Tuesday and we are back to number 5. I missed Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I have workout 8. And then Friday I did day 10. I was confused. I hope my previous videos didn't confuse you too much, and hopefully this clears things up. Alright guys, welcome to day 15, and it might seem like I skipped, but I did not. So sorry I didn't film day 12, but day 13s and 14 are rest days on the plan. However, it's the middle of the week for me and I take weekends off, so I just adjust and I skip ahead and then I take a break. So we're doing day 15 today, which means I'll do day 16 tomorrow on Friday, and then I would resume day 17 on Monday. So that's how this whole thing is working. Can we adore my nails? Are these not the cutest? So cute. Oh, I'm kind of obsessed with those right now. These are actually nails that I picked up on a drugstore haul I did. I'll link the video up here, but if you want to see any of the other styles that I got of the press-on nails, ooh, they are so cute. It's funny because actually someone at church last night asked me if I went to the nail salon. No, I did not. 5 minutes at home. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. We're about to work out. We're doing day 15. Okay, day 15 is going to consist of jump rope for 30 seconds, a squat with a banded front raise for 45. Jen Heward, she's up in the time this time on this workout. We're now moving from 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Then we're gonna do some banded mountain climbers, squatted band curls, plank sides, and some lunge hops. And we're gonna do all of these, all 6 movements, 6 times. And I'm probably going to break it up into 3. Let me show you what I'll do. All I do is I just take my whiteboard marker, go across, and so then I'm going to run through the first 3 6 times, and then I'll do the second 3 6 times, and then I like to write down how long it took me and how many calories I burnt, and then I kind of usually take a picture or something just as a cool way of documenting what I did for the day. So I think just to tell you what the difference is between how I'm doing it and how the app sets it up, is she has it to do 6 sets of jump rope, then move into a superset of the second and third movement here. So that's just 1. And then I think it was the squat band with the plank side is 1. And then the alternating lunge hop was last. But this just works better for me. Don't think it really makes a big difference as long as you just do everything and you just push through as much as you can. Okay, so we're gonna get started on day 15. As always, I'm going to hop on the treadmill real quick, get warmed up, and then we will jump into it. See you in a sec. Okay, so I just wanted to say real quick that I just totally fell into a total pitfall of what can happen when 1, you're working out alone, or 2, you're working out at home. This doesn't often happen to me, but I got distracted after I warmed up on the treadmill, and now I was dripping sweat, and now I've completely cooled down. I am totally dry. So no bueno, I know, but unfortunately what I would have done is I would have just hopped on for 2 minutes. I will re-warm up really quickly. But the first movement today is jump rope, so that'll get me going. I've made a new program since we have 45-second intervals. I didn't want to be like fudging anything, so the jump roping is only 30 seconds, so I did 45 seconds for the first set, and then I did 50 seconds, that extra 5 seconds I've told you about, for the 45-second sets. So that way I have that extra few seconds. 45. Let's go.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Okay, so I just want to say, so like I am halfway through the last 3 movements, and I'm tired, I'm hungry, and this is when you have to push yourself. This is when I tell myself, hey, there's only 3 more. I can do it. Let me look at my signs, right? Like, that's why I have them up here. I can do it, and I just need to follow through. Just finish it. Just do it. I hate to say that stupid Nike saying, right? But there's truth to it. Like, just don't overthink it and just do it. So I'm gonna finish the last 3. I'm gonna push through them. I'm gonna try to take as little rest as possible.
I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Look at that, you guys. 45 minutes, 450 calories. That's fantastic. And now, do I think my Apple Watch is 100% accurate that I just burned all that? No, you know, you gotta take it with a grain of salt. But gosh, I mean, what a great indicator. I mean, that obviously is still telling me I got a great workout in, right? So, like I said though, when you're working out by yourself, you don't have a trainer or a coach or a class coach telling you, hey, like, keep it going, or you're doing great, or any of that. That's their job, is to motivate you, to push you to keep going. And when you're working out at home, you don't have that. You have to be your own coach, and you have to be your own motivator. And my signs are a great reminder of me to push myself to meet my goals. Another thing is not being too hard on yourself when things don't go totally right. I am tired. I am done with exercise for the day. Hallelujah. Hey, if you have any questions about the app, please just make sure to leave them in the comments below. smash that like button, and of course subscribe so that you see day 16 and so on. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.
The bridges between us.